Marker Colbert Speedo Co Refinish Network. All right, got another cheap budget job for you guys on this Civic Si, so the 2002 to 2005 generation. Cool little car, nice color. However, had a lot of sunburn. Had been repainted before, had some previous body work done to it that we digged into, and was a total mess. But we got it all patched up and looking good. We're just going with the original factory. It's like a blue pearl. Looks really nice. For the clear coat, and a lot of you guys are going to ask, got the new Fast Dry Euroclear. It's first time ever using it on a full body paint job. We're going to see how it does. Get a mask on, get some primer sealer in the gun. Let's get it started. Moving along to the second coat. The first coat's set up real nice, got a nice foundation. Moving on to the second coat, we're going medium wet, never going full wet. Guys, you never, ever, ever want to go full wet on your metallic or really any base coat. Don't rush coverage. It will come coat by coat. Lay the paint down even. Make sure you flick that gun. As you guys can see, flick of the wrist right there, right in between panels. Don't want any hard lines, especially with metallics. Put your paint on as even as possible, and you will get a good metallic paint job every time. The best tip I can give you guys with this clear coat, and this almost applies to any clear coat, your first coat is your glue. That is going to set the foundation for your second coat of clear to stick to. The second coat, as you guys can see, we're moving way slower. Look at me moving in the panel. Look at the reflection. This is where we go after the gloss. We go after the build. Paint jobs are not made in one coat, guys. You know, they're made in 2, 3, 4, sometimes 7, 8 coats of paint. Relax, put it on responsibly, and this is how you get a good job. Wraps it up. First car, full body paint job using the Fast Dry Euroclear, came out really good. Dry times on this clear are really amazing. We sprayed this car, I believe it was about 45 degrees outside, and the paint was flashing off. I'd like to say the clear coat's flashing off in about 5 to 7 minutes. Really incredible stuff. To get a high gloss, high build clear that'll flash off in 5 to 7 minutes in cold weather like this, very, very user-friendly product, very good quality. As far as the gloss goes, I mean, this is only 2 coats of clear. Normally, full body paint jobs are going after a little bit more quality. I usually recommend about 3 coats, but I mean, man, just 2 coats of clear, and this thing looks really, really incredible. I'm gonna wrap it up with this. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedoco.com. They have everything you need to get your projects done. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.